how to add YouTube video in WordPress website. So first go to youtube.com and then look for the video that you want to add to your WordPress website. So for example, you have a video like this. This is your video. So what you want to do is just click on the three dots here and then just click on share and then click on embed, then copy this code. Click on copy here, close that, and then go to your WordPress homepage. Next is just click on pages, the left side. Now for example, I want to add the video here to my page about the website, to the about page. Click on the three dots here, then just click on edit. Okay, now for example, I want to add the video here, the bottom, then just click on plus here, then just click on code, then paste the code that you copied earlier. Next is click on the code icon here, then just click on custom HTML. And what you want to do next is just click on save. Then of course, just to check, we're going to view our site. Just click on this one, this icon here, then just click your preview in new tab. Okay, now as you can see, now this is what it looks like after you add the video in your about page. Alright, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.